everybody! We just went on a walk in the woods and we saw lots of birds out. And I thought it would be cool to show you how to make your very own bird feeder to put out in the backyard. So, I have a pine cone. I have some peanut butter. You can use sun butter too. And then I have some sunflower seeds. You can use any kind of bird seed you'd like. And then I have a piece of ribbon to tie on at the end. You can use string or twine. And last of all, I have a chopstick, or you can use a plastic spoon, or pretty much anything you want to get the peanut butter on the pine cone. So, I am going to scoop out some peanut butter. And I'm going to start by using the chopstick. We'll see how it goes. And I'm just going to try to get peanut butter all in the crevices of the pine cone. I might use my fingers too. Alright, almost done. Alright, after I get some peanut butter on here, I'm just going to scoop up some of the sunflower seeds and stick them into the peanut butter. It's going to be a very messy bird feeder. Alright. Lots of peanut butter and sunflower seeds. Alright. Give me a second to rinse off my hands and we'll tie the string on. Alright. You just take your string or ribbon, tie it on at the top. And there you go. Your own pine cone bird feeder. You can just tie it on a tree or somewhere outside where you can see it from your window and see what kind of birds come to visit it. Alright, let me know how it goes. I'll talk to you all soon.